welcome to Gordon Guitar. Very cool song from TIESTO here called Lay Low. So this is not your typical guitar song, but you can do cool stuff anyway with the guitar. So let's dissect this one and we'll look at the chords and the notes you can play to get the melody here built into the strumming. So let's start here. Capo on the fourth. With that, you will have the easiest scenario here when it comes to building the melody. So capo on the fourth fret, and with that we have 4 different chords. So let's start with A minor, and yeah, we'll go with open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be G, and this is with a small difference here from the original G chord. We'll go with the open E in the end, but yeah, anyway, we'll start with the 3rd fret E string here in the bass, 2nd A, open D, open G, then 3rd B, and open E. Okay, because this open E will come back through the entire song here. And then we have the next chord, F major 7. And that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and again open E. It's from the standard position here, the F major. And then we have this D chord here thing going on here. It's open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and again open E. Okay, so this open E will stay with us through the entire song. This is the chord progression that goes around and around. A minor, G, F major, and D. All right, so let's take it from the beginning here. We can look at the standard strumming. All right, so just with plain strumming, you would go with this. If we start with the A minor, one strumming around will be down, 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 up. Okay, so I play more on the bass here on the first 2 downs, and then the down, down, up in the end, I play more on the higher notes there, the top strings here. So bass, bass, top, top, top. And you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord. So A minor, G, F, and D goes like this. That is 1 chord progression round. All right, you can stay with that, or you can try to build in some kind of melody here, the notes. And I'm gonna give you one example of that. I showed you one just clean kind of melody thing here in the introduction of this tutorial. We'll not go through that. That was just yeah, me freestyle a little bit there. But this one I'm going to show you now. I also showed you that one, and that would suit pretty well to this song there. If you yeah, you have to go some kind of middle row there to get melodies, but also strumming. So this will be perfect for this. All right, so let's start with the A minor. So the notes here you want to emphasize are pretty much the open E string here 3 times. So that's enough to get a good start here for the song. So 3 times on the open E string. Then on the G chord here, you go and try to emphasize 4 times on the 3rd fret B string, this note, and then you end with an open E. So and then we go to the F major. You're gonna emphasize this part. So that is 1st on B string, open B string, and then 2nd G string with the F major 7. And then for the D chord here, the D thing here, we'll emphasize the same notes, just a different bass now from the chord. So that will be again the 1st fret B, open B, and 2nd G. I'm using kind of the pull-off technique here when I get the first to open B string here, both for F major and D. I just kick out with the finger I'm using here, probably your index finger on the first fret B string to get the open, okay? So that's a technique I use there. So just the plain melody here will be from the beginning. Again. And then you can try to do some kind of strumming here. You cannot stay with the original strumming here because that will not hold. So you have to improvise this a little bit to get downs and ups and like that built into this melody. This is where we go some kind of middle row there to fill out the notes there with some strumming. So one example of how it could sound, I can do that in a slower tempo so you really see and hear how it could sound. So let's go. So no rules here really. Try to get as many notes as you can, and with the strum in the right chords, and that will be great. So TIESTO lay low, that was for you. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this, please thumb up and let me know what you think about it. And yeah, till next time, guys, play tuned.